I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the Journey Zoomer, so stay tuned. When you get your Zoomer, it's going to come in a box like this, most likely shipped either UPS or FedEx. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a knife and we're going to cut the plastic wrap around it. Be careful to not cut into your box. There's also some plastic straps around it. We can cut those as well. Just remember to cut upwards. Now that we have the plastic off, the lid of the box will just lift up. So here it is. We have on top, this is your owner's manual. We will find out what some of these are. I believe this is your charger. Now this is probably your joystick. So I'm trying to clear some of this stuff out of the way so I can get this out of the box. Alright, that should be enough. So the easiest way to get this out of the box is to kind of lift it and then drag it out. It is not a very heavy unit, so you should be able to kind of pick it up over the edge of the box and kind of bring it forward. So it's not a very heavy unit. That wasn't too difficult. I'm going to take a moment, kind of clean up the box and the plastic wrap, and we will get to the assembly. So I've got a lot of the packing material out of the way, and this is what we're left with. We have our unit here, and then a couple boxes with our battery, joystick, charger, and then there was a basket as well that was sitting separate from the unit. It's right here. So I'm going to start by unfolding the unit first. To unfold it, there is this wire or cable here. You're going to pull up on that. And then you're going to hear it snap. That means it's locked into place and is ready to go. So next, I'm going to grab my battery. It's going to be in this long box here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And the battery on this unit goes in the rear. Here's your battery. There's a side with a plug that looks like this. That plug is on the right hand side. So essentially, there's a little lock here we're going to move out of the way. And it's just going to snap in. Then we're going to put the lock back in front, and that keeps the battery in place. Next is going to be the joystick. The joystick is in this box here. So I'm going to carefully cut that open. And here is our joystick. Looks like this. And then with the joystick in the box that I just tossed away is your bolts. That's how you're going to secure your joystick to your unit. So the unit can be set up for either right or left hand. This one was shipped right hand with the wire already ran this way. And then to mount your joystick, there's two holes in this bracket here. Then you get two screws in here. Then they give you a little Allen wrench as well. Then these look like, they got little sticky pads on them. It looks like a place to secure your cable. But I'm going to go ahead and install these with the Allen wrench. And the joystick is going to go right there. You can see these two threaded bolts. So I'm going to start it by hand. Then come back with the Allen wrench and tighten it up. Okay, the joystick is now installed. Now we're just going to connect these plugs right here. And then there's a little screw that you turn to tighten it. So the joystick is connected. Now we have to connect the battery in the back. There is a little plug right here. Just goes right on. It's magnetic. Now we'll see if we have power. Press the power button. And I'm getting a single flashing light. And it is not driving. So what that means is we are probably in neutral. In the rear of the chair, we have neutral levers. Right here and here. This allows you to freewheel the chair. So I'm going to turn the power off. See how I can kind of push? This one motor is actually in neutral. So I'm going to push this into the lock position. That is our driving position. Now I'm going to turn the power back on. And it's lit up like normal. And I can drive the unit. Now we have this basket that came with the unit. This end is going to face towards the front. And it's going to go right in here and just hook onto that bar. And it just rests in there. Pretty straightforward. Once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Journey Zoomer. If you like this product or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Please like and subscribe as well. It really helps us out. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.